What's up, blockheads? It's Dank Wheelie's jacket. Need to get that back to him. So, real quick video here. If you guys don't know, we randomly select a level 3 Blockhead channel member once a month to receive an item. And in this video, I'm going to be announcing who gets the set of Rev'It Cayenne Pro gloves. This is brought to you guys in part by RevZilla. So yeah, for those of you that don't know, just to go over it real quick, we have this item that we call the Block Box. The Block Box contains a random item per month, and for June, the item was a pair of Rev'It Cayenne Pro gloves. Awesome pair of gloves. We're gonna be doing a review video on them soon, and we've randomly selected a level 3 Blockhead channel member to receive a pair, to check them out and send us their feedback. Now, like I said, this episode is brought to you guys in part by RevZilla, so teamed up with RevZilla to provide and send out some quality gear and quality products to you guys. So big thanks to RevZilla. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. If you haven't, be sure to go check them out. I'll drop the link to them down in the description below, as well as on the screen right here, RevZilla.com. Tons of gear, absolutely anything you could want. Super fast shipping, hassle-free returns. There's just an absolute ton of perks to shopping at RevZilla. About these gloves, awesome gloves. We're gonna do a really in-depth, like full review video of them soon. But before we do that, we've randomly selected one of you level 3 Blockhead channel members to receive a pair. If you guys don't know what that is, being a level 3 Blockhead channel member, if you guys want to support the creation of content, you wanna support the channel, you wanna see it grow, it's one of the ways to show your support. What I say as going beyond the subscribe button. For those of you that do show your support, I like to give back, and this is a way of basically giving back to my community, and it's also a way of getting you guys involved in my videos, which I think is super cool. If you guys are interested in signing up for that, on the main screen, I think you have to be on desktop, I think you can maybe be on mobile. The main screen right beside the subscribe button, there's a join button, which I'll show you guys screenshots of and all that here, and there's 3 levels. So level 1, level 2, level 3, each one has its own perks, and then the level 3 one is the one that includes the Block Box. So that's, we go through the level 3 members and we randomly select one of you guys. So without further ado, the level 3 Blockhead channel member that we have selected to receive a pair of the Rev'It gloves is Amicus Draco. I hope I'm saying that right. AMICUS-DRACO. Congratulations, man. Thank you so much for being a member of the channel. I greatly appreciate the support. Do me a favor and be sure to post up in this video, comment, let me know that you've seen this, and be sure to email me your information. I'll need like what size glove you wear as well as shipping address, and you can email me blockheadmoto@gmail.com. Also, you guys are probably wondering, like, why am I only showing one glove? Well, in a previous video, I actually talked about thinking that I lost the gloves, and I hadn't lost the gloves yet, but then I ended up losing one of the gloves. So I only have one glove, so I have to get a new pair myself, which sucks because these things are not cheap. I mean, it is a really amazing and quality glove, but you definitely pay for that quality. I've had my fair share of gloves. The fact that I want to buy another pair of these, you know, after having lost one, definitely should tell you something as to the quality. Since I do have to get another pair, we're gonna be taking this one through basically a torture test. So it's got reinforced knuckles, sliders, leather on the palms and stuff like that. So, I mean, we're gonna take it through a torture test somehow. I'm thinking maybe on a bench grinder or something. We'll see. Maybe we'll take a box opener to it. You guys stay tuned for that. Once again, congratulations to Amicus Draco. Appreciate the support, and to all the rest of you channel members, levels 1, 2, and 3, I greatly appreciate you all. Big shout out once again to RevZilla. Great to be working with y'all again. Appreciate the collaboration and support. And you guys be sure to look out for a review video of these gloves soon. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Hit that bell icon if you want to be sent notifications of future uploads and activity so you don't miss any of the episodes. Until next time, you guys, ride safe out there, stay vigilant. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.